Second piece is something which I wrote a few years ago. Which actually now actually not a good piece, but I'm going to show off. It's the first time that happens in my life that I can be no, not showing up. what comes next is the first time that happened in my life. You know, it happens just so often. I just don't give notice anymore. Whereas actually, I'm going to record an album of my own, which is the first thing ever. So that's a really cool thing, and that's really stressful as well. Anyway, this song is out of this album. That's where I show off. Kind of thing you say sounds really cool. It's gonna make my album and just thanks man. Anyway, this type of thing. Very well. Oh shit. Hello. It's another instrument. Nobody made that one, but sounds cool. So does this one. Okay, well, sorry. I'm just losing myself. Why am I very useful. Okay, that's a song which is called I Don't Really Know. And deeper inside, frightened by the future, as the sun covered by a sea of clouds. My light cannot see anything before departure. What to expect, I don't really know. What should I learn first, I don't really know. What is the sunset ready to show? To our poor and cold hearts turn them to gold. And as the big mouth hours, night is calling me in the fog of my darkest hours. Satan's hugging me like a tender paw. Satan hugging me like a tender paw. Satan's hugging me like a tender paw. And he says, I am a woman, and he says, I love you, babe. He can always speak the truth, even on the saddest day. Beelzebub says not to give a dime, but oh God, well, I felt so alone. What to expect, I don't really know. What should I learn first, I don't really know. What is the sunset ready to show? To our poor cold hearts, send them to go. And as the big mouth hours, night is calling me in the fog of my darkest hours. Satan's hugging me like a tender paw. Satan's hugging me like a tender paw. And is he hugging you like a tender paw? Tell me now. Is he hugging you like a tender paw? And is he hugging you like a tender paw? Like he does with me, like a tender paw. Like he does with me, like a tender paw. Like he does with me. What to expect, I don't really know. What should I learn first, I don't really know. What is the sunset ready to show? To my poor cold heart, turn it to go. Okay, thank you very much. And the last piece I'm going to play is going to be on this weird little thing. So for the people that know the weird little thing, you recognize the weird little thing. So say hello to the weird little thing, please.
Hello.
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 Yeah, okay. There you go. Hello. Sorry. Okay. Oh, actually, one. I'm just gonna borrow a few things just for people who doesn't know that instrument, just to show what what it's able to do, kind of. Because also the point of the session is to actually have a little idea of what these instruments can do or can't do. And yeah, so basically it's like why and how I made it is to be bows as well. Okay, sorry for that. It's a bit of tune now. Okay, so that's just a little tune. I'm just kind of gonna improvise something. Yeah, just to give you an idea. You didn't need clapping, but well, if you must insist, then why not? Okay, and I'm just going to do one last thing, just for the people who maybe here can play, and I know there's quite a few, just to show you that you don't have to do complicated things to come and play something in this session, and that'd be great to have so many other faces and people that play. I'm not pointing at anyone, I'm just looking at all of you. Position towards that. Yeah. Anyway. Okay, right. So just a few things like in a theme, just trying to get this mood. Just with two chords, you can still hear the instrument, I suppose. 4 chords really we can kind of make a song down to it, like, I'm just improvising. Flying in the dark, sparks of wings, lightning in the park, night bird flying, night birds flying. You can try to sing along as well. Night flying, birds flying. Come on, don't be shy. Night birds flying, night birds flying. There you go. Okay, well that draws to an end. I'm just going to thank you again, all the players for tonight. So Arthur, Tom, Antoine and Seb, big thanks for them.